Hello students, welcome to the class. So in today's class, we are going to learn two amazing Vedic matrix. So let's start with the first trick. So here we have number 2025, right? So your first task is that check that which is the unit digit here. So my unit digit is 5 here, right? Now check that from 1 to 10, which number squared unit digit is also 5. So here if you see that 5 is the number whose square unit digit is also 5, right? So now in my square root, the ones digit is 5 here, okay? So 5 is my ones digit. Now to check that what is the tens digit in my square root, we will cancel out the last two digit here, okay? So if we cancel out the last two digit, we have number 20 here, right? Now we check that 20 lie in which square number, in between the square numbers, okay? So here 20 lie between 16 and 25, right? So between 16 and 25, we have 20 here. Now, so 20 is between 16 and 25. Now, which is the lesser number in 25 and 16? 16 is the lesser number, right? So we will see that what is the square root of 16. The square root of 16 is 4 here, right? So my tens digit is 4. So my answer is 45. Again, very easy, right? So if you have any 4 digit or 5 digit number, first task is see the unit digit, okay? Now whatever unit digit here you have, okay, now check that from 1 to 10 which square number contain that unit digit, okay? Let's understand this with one more example. So here we have 3136, right? And we want to find out this square root. So what is unit digit here? So my unit digit is 6 here, right? So this is my unit digit. Now I will check that from 1 to 10, which are the numbers whose square number unit digit is also 6. So here we will see that 4 and 6 are the numbers whose square number unit digit is also 6, right? So my ones digit, the possibility for my ones digit here is 4 and 6, okay? Now after this, for the tens digit, I will cancel out last numbers, last two digits I will cancel out. Now whatever the remaining digit I have, that is 31, right? Now I will check that 31 lie between which square numbers. So here 31 lie between 25 and 36, right? Now 31 lie between 25 and 36. So which one is smaller here in 36 and 25? 25 is smaller, right? So the square root of 25, that is 5, is my ones digit here. So 5 is my ones digit here. Now for the tens digit, so the possibility of my square root is 54 and 56, right? Now I will check that 31 is nearer to which number, 25 or 36. So if I will check that this difference is 6 here, right? And this difference is 5 here. So if I will see that 31 is nearer to 36, which is a greater number here, right? From 25 and 36, 36 is greater and 31 is nearer to that. So again in 54 and 56 also, 56 is greater. So this is my answer, okay? Very easy trick. So again, let's see one more example here. So here we have 11,664, right? And we want to find out a square root of this number. So again, we'll focus on the unit digit here. So what is unit digit here? That is 4, right? Now I will check that from 1 to 10, which are the numbers whose square also contain 4 as unit digit. So here 2 is my number and 8 is my number, right? So my ones digit, the possibility for the ones digit here is 2 and 8. So these are the possibility for the ones digit. Now look at the tens digit. What is the tens digit? Now again, I will cancel out my last two digit here. So I have 116, right? Now I will see that 116 lie between which square numbers. So it lie between 100 and 121, right? So this is the square of 10 and this is the square of 11 here, right? Now after this, I will see that which square number is smaller. So here 100 is smaller, right? So I will take its square root. So 10 is my tens digit here, okay? Now, so the possibility for the square root is 102 and 108. So these are the possibilities, right? Now I will check that 160 is nearer to which square number? It is nearer to 100 or it is nearer to 121. So here 116, what is the difference between 100 and 16? It is 16, right? And the difference between 116 and 121? It is 5, correct? So 116, it is nearer to the greater square number, that is 121. So my answer is also greater square number, that is 108. So this is my answer. So this is the first trick, that how to find square root of any number, right? Very easy. Focus on the unit digit and then check that from 1 to 10, which is the number whose square is also contain unit digit. So this is the first trick we have learned. Now let's move to the second trick. So second trick we have how to multiply 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. So here we have 104 and we want to multiply this with 105, right? So it's very easy. Just take the difference of both the numbers with 100, okay? So here 104 minus 100, you will get 4. 105 minus 100, you will get 5. After this, make sure that addition of both the numbers 104 plus 5 and here 105 plus 4. So this addition, make sure that this is same. So here it is same, right? 109. Now after this, just add your numbers. So 104 plus 5, so 109. Write this addition. Now multiply your differences. So here 4 into 5 is 20, right? Just write 20 after your number. So this is your answer, right? Very correct. Let's see one more example. Here we have 106 into 107, right? So what we will do first? So again, we will write the difference of both the numbers with 100, right? So here we have the difference is 6 and here the difference is 7. After that, we will write the addition of this 106 plus 7. So what is this addition? 113, right? And after this, I will write the multiplication of difference. So what is multiplication of difference here? 7 6 are 42, right? So I will write 42 here after my number. So this is my answer. Let's see one more example. So here we have 108 and 109, right? So again, we will write our numbers. So 108 and 109. After this, I will write the difference of these numbers with 100. So what is this difference? 108 with 100, it is 8, right? And this difference is 9 here. Now again, always make sure that this sum is always equal. So what is 108 plus 9 here? 117, right? And again 109 plus 8 is also 117. So I will write my addition here 117. After that, I will write what is the product of my difference. So here it is 72. So this is my answer. So these were the tricks we have learned in today's class, that how to find a square root of any number, how to multiply 2 3-digit numbers very quickly. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then follow Sisya class for more such content.